2005 Golf. Windows, electric window's not working. Let's see if we can just get in here. I'm not about to show on camera. Are we going to get there? Typical, no. Let's try. Come on. I know you're there. There we go. Look, you can see wires that are. Oh, come on, focus. Now you can just see one wire there that is cut. There's 3 or 4 wires cut in here. Blown fuse for the electric window switch. Here it is. I did try and clean it. I'll just put a quick clip in of me trying to clean it. Now here's the window switch. Let's crack this bad boy open. I've kind of half done it so I can do it with one hand. Here we go. And let's see. Oh, look at that. I wonder if we can get away with cleaning this, if there's anything not gone. You can get some electrical contact cleaner and a brush and just clean all that. Not going to film it because I'm just cleaning it, and put it back in and see if we can rescue this switch. And unfortunately it didn't work, but what we have is fuse is blown. Why is the fuse blown? Because the wires have gone in there. Why is this gone? Because there was water intrusion inside the car, so the switch is buggered. I did try and save it, but unfortunately couldn't save it. But we don't need window switches, do we? Look what we can do. Now be very, very, very careful doing this. You really need to know your circuit. But what we can do is, we can, just to make sure it is the switch and nothing else, let's just earth that. The window will come down, sorted. And what we can do, again, shouldn't really be doing this, but I know the circuit, I know what I'm doing. Push them back up, window goes back up. So 100% we know the switch is at fault, but we also know why the fuse went. So we're going to have to repair the wires, get a new switch, and we're sorted.